Mama Akwaba, wafreme Adjoa searching Mesrel, now wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news.
Na nyina kokowie this party communicators, this party executive, this party leadership no communication no communicate to mo followers no. They know very well the followers na dwene wo fam. Omo chen mwa e de omo gubuom. Ubi omo na obo pre no mo ukase mo fa no mo nya de akiri. Yes, me so na meka. MPP na dis followers no. Dodo na enyan so ofa so se omo nyan etime de mpusore omo no omo we enye yi. Adi nti na meka sa. Wuti krom ni abeka che se machine bi ba na se ye common fund o se ya ban na de ba na se wodwene a uko aho na wokwa ko sori akọ chia machine ko ye machine atu anase ko ye machine awa atu anase ko ye den Asiedu nketia mampon share atade giga se ye kwako twisa denti na MPP flag start tale machines ho John Mahama ma en sha atade tisi abonti bunfu isa denti na MPP flag tale machines ho abai no te akonya so a why ade a wo de credit na ma the opposition da common sense. This is where people abai no te akonya so a why ade a wo de credit na ma the opposition da. When was the last time NDC wa ban mu a o ye bibia o si wo ade we amaye the MPP na mebo ma so no the MPP flag atale ho. So common sensically you should be able to know say definitely MPP will claim or will, omo party flags better letale ho NDC ba ban mu a they will also do it. This is what they've been doing. No problem, fair enough. What the NDC machine na ba na be ye kwan na what in futuro so atwa wo krom. Udi mirika ekwa akuhia koto. Ye be pipe sa na election 2020. Ebinom tena omo platform na omo social media so ka kire mabunu ne say ye wia election ni muti munsi form munkos police station wo omo wiam muko ne yekosa ne tuo gu enipa nwotwe so enye nipa nwotwe so ye sane tuo to fam ye tutuo no fam ene nipa nwotwe wuye se wote jungle we mu na wo ama we anya adwuma a wo be wu kwa ye be kwakoto atwene kwa yesu aye nansa e ba be ofufu adi hwisi enko ba bia wawu nkwase yewuo ye be ye nkwase yie wo mo tena omo platform so Inciting mo no omo ne omo busuafo hye omo amanone dodo na wa amanone me kasa kire banyansani bi o Ghana ha wotie me
ye abrante ni semokan no Felix, I will invite you to the pit.
Onwe hu ni say etuje sebe mo bi nkonko wu nkwase ewu emfa anyeden emfa ma sebe political party bi because 2020 one year ma say etu tutu yin na emo say no ogina wa or condemn Kevin Taylor. Boss, I wish I could bring you the old videos of this saying of our guy. But okay, let's speak to the subject.
I'm saying that yes, I'm picking the wisdom of what he said. And when I said, because if he was unbiased in this presentation, whatever he did, whatever he did previously, I think so. So what he has said, when we said, until now he's cautioning those who are into this kind of violence.
Yeah, I agree, sir. I totally agree, and I'm actually sorry, sir. That is the foot that they started on. But you're kind in I know, correct?
Yeah.
But Senior Bright, with the person so since I will walk a penny cacreno, and you may be a me person me be so. Me pacho Ebra Rollins, ABD are democratically, no.
Yeah.
Me patrona Ghana, no beer and a pedia Rollins here now.
Not at all.
But you pray my Rollins to now so in the terms we are now.
It's any politics.
Me patro President Kufuor and also be I don't think that their President Kufuor in a Ghana for be a pay.
And that's all the demonstrations, of course, who cried the Nipa Urinefi. Now demonstrations, of course, who tell you our wokai. Kwesi prating kwesi one man demonstration. No akujina no we one shot. No security men dinate. Akucha one shot. We tell you our no sadano.
You. Into the American say abaya ba abanko won't say that say ye koto aba ema ye ka so okay chinchinia yenkoku nipa enko say nipa until Mahama went to opposition. Senior 2016 election na emu ordene. Sameka say emu ordene. First time one after a long time NPP was trying to come back to office. And NDC so normal reactors so some mama eden not so. After 3 days or 4 days omo bobo abano one that CSC yankoko. The patros what you say. Yeah, penny ya. The only time I John Dramani Mahama Bonnet Empany trim echo opposition and he started to seven kolanket and kitibu media so etuatua journalist worker munko say we na ene no mema makoma perform kakra no me deal with the issues ko me pese me ka kai Ghana for nia maybe se me ka chro say NDC wo no ya beifo party enyansafo ni mu as senior bright eya munja me na menka
na be no
eya no kre
do you have any proving say we ya be for the
there be okay fine what the mama di nti am say NDC for ye abeifo sebe Ghana yeti enyo bia na pe NDC enyo bia so na pe MPP ana mebia etoda MPP ba etoda na NDC so aba nti ade na John Mahama nko opposition no all of a sudden it is good to insult elders and we see there is something going on that we are not paying attention to. And kwada yetisi social media say yebeye didi atemu nyina no eni akasa edietia say emwa ya be no ate say John Mahama ebe gina bonte condemn any of the things here ekoso in Ghana in terms of we to trust him
minti bi da
say Mahama be kasa fa to trust him one he only reinforce say yeah ye to trust him the twa ye fruma Jimmy Semnon Kwasiasem, we are a tuny, a better second, a better chow. That is what he does. We must remind them we come from revolutionary roots. That is all he talks about. The parliamentarian, so-called parliament, almost a revolution, even though almost say, Yempe revolution. And he condones no stupidity. For the first time in the history of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama being a statesman, had his supporters 2 cutlasses, weapons, say, what was the way a bearmano? It a demonstration at John Mahama office. Did you see John Mahama condemn them? No, he rather wrote a letter to encourage them that he is happy that they did that. But if this was an MPP person that did it will be a different case. And for me, and then the NTR may settle on NDC. Na macho the NTR womu ya beifo no. Na omu nye nipa ya di omu bu omai is based on 4 cardinal points. The first point, members ne womu no ehu emobo. Na dia emobo ne say ye dia show mutiri mu say education is nothing. Enu nti no dia kakra bi fifi kwete no ne hwan no mo atumi ayeden akọ school kakra no. Womu na di ombe ka no womu tie anye saa ankahwade o. 2020 me for mon kwachiri omo ye regional tour when NDC for them crofo got na tipa truck so say one more di omo call campaign utie na tipa truck no kwati nipa 5 muni na mo kai na sebi ye call campaign na nipa enya bus and I say be a way like something that can transport them. Mini buses near there. Yeah, the omo good sebi. Tractor ye di load nua. Edu na sebi ye di any partner so. But that is what NDC did. Any pa enum actually woman kan and sakranza na ye beto about 2020. Somewhere fia esi Kumasi area or sebi Ashanti region. For those of you who wants to find it, you can find it. Okay? These people died. Party aba. Mr. Bra, what the say? Party ne prayer 100,000 kwa. Still, yeni undi ni ye. Adentia. Onipa na wachire no bia no ni abusia no ani da so.